To drain out the old oil from the diff, you need to remove this bolt. I'm using a big impact drive to make life a bit easier. Sometimes you find the bolt a bit stuck, but with a bit of force, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, fine, that was a really bad idea, but that's okay. I found this 16mm bolt, I cut it off and I'm gonna weld it right there, and that should fix the problem. Now with the new head welded in, you should be able to remove the bolt and start draining out the old oil. Once you have drained out all the old oil, you should be able to put the cap back in place and make sure you make it nice and tight, but not too tight that you will strip it again. Once you finish installing the bottom cap, if you look at the top, you'll see another bolt, and that one is the filler cap, so you need to undo that to start filling it up with the new fresh oil. Once you have removed the cap, you should be able to fill it up with new oil. I'm using one of those syringe-like manual pumps. It works exactly like the syringe. You suck oil into it, and then you should be able to inject the oil through that cap hole where you have removed the bolt. The right amount to fill it up is to keep pumping oil into it until it fills up to the top and starts spilling out from that same hole. Once you have injected enough oil into it, you will notice that it will start to drip. Once it starts dripping, that means it is full to the top. Pump a little bit more just in case, and then once it starts dripping a lot more, that's it, you should stop there and pull the hose out and put the cap back in place. When you finish installing the cap, now you can go ahead and tighten it, but make sure you don't make it too tight so you don't end up stripping the bolt. And just like that, it's all done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button if you want to see future videos.